Alright people, finally got around to painting the shower room and I want to talk about paint, this stuff, and how rubbish it is. Don't worry, I haven't used it. I did use it in the flat in London and I've got terrible picture framing. I've only done one coat of it, I do need to do another coat, but it was just the opacity was rubbish. It's just horrible. They've had us over, all us DIY retailers, Dulux Easy Care, washable and tough. It's got stain repellent technology. Now in my last house, I used Dulux just because I was getting free paint basically. Not because I'm sponsored or anything like that. It's just my neighbour was a painter and decorator and he sorted us out some free paint. I used vinyl silk in the bathrooms. Now, bearing in mind, that's probably a little bit more durable, but it's got no mold protection or anything like that. Don't be so gullible though. It's all about marketing and profit making. So the retail Dulux, it's got the dog on. Everyone thinks, yeah, Dulux is the best. It's not the best though, is it? Realistically, they're just there to make a load of money off of you. The trade paints, yeah, they're pretty good, but they're bloody expensive, which got me thinking about trade paints. Now, what do professional painter and decorators use in bathrooms? Because you don't get trade, this is your bathroom paint. They don't label it that way. So I've done a little bit of research and I found this stuff. Johnston's Trade Acrylic Durable Matte. Bearing in mind this is not sponsored, this is a price point similar to Easy Care stuff, but this is a better quality product, so it's better value for money. I'll show you why. Unlike Dulux, this has got a scrub rating of class 1. So that means someone's rubbed it 200 times and it hasn't worn down more than 5 microns. So that means it's better for cleaning. It's got a mold resistant formulation as well, which means it contains a biocide. Dulux hasn't got the ISO 11998 rating, scrub rating, so it's rubbish. The other stuff's better, isn't it? This stuff that I've just used, obviously I've only used white, but you can get it mixed in different colours, and it's definitely a product that I will be using in the future. Not much prep work in here. I had to take the radiator off after I'd done that. I've done a little bit of sanding as well. I tell you what, having the Hoover attachment on your sander, world of bloody difference. I done a quick coat, so only one coat in here. It's covered better than the Dulux that I used in the flat, a lot better. Now I'll probably get away with just one more coat, so 2 coats, that's good. I've seen a lot of people with the Easy Care stuff, the Dulux stuff, having to do like almost, well, 3 coats, sometimes 4 coats. It is quite thick, so I would say when you're cutting in, when I've done this wall over here, I cut in, and because it's such a small space, I left it and then I just rolled it, but it almost did want a picture frame. You can't see that it's picture frame, but it's just a texture around the edge. So I would say if you're gonna do it, this is what I normally do now. Cut in with like your big brush and then go straight over it with a roller, because by the time you come back to it, it's just a different thickness of paint. I gave this a coat last night, so if you're wondering what that was on the brushes and stuff, I used cling film just to wrap it up overnight. I put it on the paint kettles as well, and I wrapped the lights in it. I need to crack on and do another coat in there. And for all my regulars, can you believe I've not been in here for like 3 weeks? All my tiling stuff's still out. I don't want to tidy it up. I'll get round to it one day. I need to go back to London for a few days for something else though. But anyway, if you haven't already and you're interested in my self-build, then please do subscribe, hit the bell notification. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.